Dear friends, many of you have spent your lives working hard, raising families, and now you're looking to stay healthy so you can truly enjoy these golden years. As a 60-year-old physician with more than 35 years of experience in some of the top hospitals in the U.S., I understand your concerns. After 60, it's common to notice weaker muscles, achy joints, lower energy, and sometimes you wonder, how can I regain strength without relying on complicated medications? Over the years, I've met hundreds of patients just like you. Many try adding chocolate powder to their morning coffee, hoping it will help with muscle strength. But here's the problem: most people don't realize there's a big difference between raw cacao and processed cocoa. Today, I want to share with you a simple, natural tip: cacao. It's not a miracle cure, but rather a small, science-based change that can make a meaningful difference over time. Think of it as a gentle, trustworthy partner for your health. So let's explore this together, because your health deserves to be cared for in a way that feels natural, simple, and effective. And tell me, have you ever tried adding cacao powder to your morning coffee? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. A common mistake. Why so many are missing the real benefits. My friends, imagine you're trying to build a strong, sturdy house, but you're using weak materials. No matter how hard you work, the result won't be what you hope for. That's exactly what happens when many people over 60 add regular cocoa powder to their morning coffee, thinking it will help their muscles. The truth is, most cocoa you find on the shelf has been roasted or processed with alkali, which strips away up to 70% of its muscle-building power. The real difference lies in raw cacao, unprocessed cacao that keeps its natural strength. It contains up to 40 times more antioxidants than regular cocoa. Key compounds like epicatechin and catechin improve blood flow to the muscles by nearly 30%, helping your body absorb protein better and recover faster. In my years of practice, I've seen it firsthand. Patients using regular cocoa only see mild improvements, while those who switch to raw cacao notice real, lasting changes. The science is simple: processing destroys flavonoids, the very heroes that fight muscle aging. Let me share a story. One of my patients, John, a 65-year-old retiree in California, came to me frustrated. His muscles felt weak, his energy low, and he was drinking store-bought cocoa mixes loaded with sugar. I suggested he switch to raw cacao instead. After just 4 weeks, he was walking 2 miles a day without knee pain. He looked at me and said, "Doctor, I feel 10 years younger." If John could do it, so can you. The key is simple: choose raw cacao and avoid Dutch processed cocoa if you truly want the benefits. Raw cacao, the king for muscle and overall health. Now let's talk about the real champion, raw cacao. So, what exactly does it do for your muscles? Raw cacao is rich in theobromine, a gentle stimulant that gives you steady energy for 4-6 hours without the jitters of caffeine. Research I follow from Harvard shows that cacao flavonoids reduce inflammation and protect muscles from age-related loss. And it doesn't stop there. Raw cacao also supports heart health by lowering blood pressure and boosting endorphins, helping you feel happier and more energized each day. Why is it better than regular cocoa? Once cocoa is roasted, it loses 60–90% of its antioxidants, while raw cacao keeps them intact, making it 3 to 40 times more powerful. The good news is, using it the right way is simple. Start with 1 teaspoon of raw cacao in your morning coffee. Stir vigorously or blend; it doesn't dissolve easily. Add a natural sweetener like stevia or monk fruit if the taste is too bitter. Drink it within an hour of waking, when your muscles absorb nutrients best. When shopping, look for products labeled raw or unroasted, and store them in a sealed container in the fridge to stay fresh for 12–18 months. For best results, pair it with a protein-rich breakfast, like Greek yogurt, and light exercise such as yoga. From my experience, this combination doubles the benefits. A quick warning: avoid pre-mixed cocoa powders with added sugar. They cause inflammation and speed up muscle loss. Always check the label and choose one single ingredient: cacao. Most people tolerate it well, but if you're concerned about mild caffeine or oxalates, which can raise kidney stone risk, check with your doctor first, just as I advise my own patients. When to choose natural cocoa, a gentler option for sensitive stomachs. Not everyone gets along with raw cacao right away, and that's perfectly normal. If you have a sensitive stomach or simply prefer a smoother taste, natural cocoa can be a great choice. It still offers muscle support, just a bit less than raw cacao. It helps boost energy and aids recovery, but with a milder flavor that's easier to digest. Science shows that roasting lowers the antioxidant content, but it also makes cocoa more gentle on the digestive system, ideal for beginners. Why is it better than the sugar-loaded mixes on the market? Because it won't trigger joint inflammation or weight gain, while still providing those essential flavonoids. Here's how to use it. Start with 1-2 teaspoons in your coffee. Add a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption by up to 200%. Mix in a healthy fat like coconut oil for even better effect. Choose natural cocoa powder or unsweetened and avoid alkalized, Dutch processed versions. For better taste, try adding cinnamon or pure vanilla. Begin with just 1 teaspoon and increase slowly to prevent mild stomach upset. Most people adjust without any issue. Common mistakes to avoid: skip the flavored chocolate creamers, they're almost useless for health. Drink plenty of water, especially if you have blood pressure or blood sugar concerns. And as always, check with your doctor if you're unsure. Let me share a quick story. One of my patients, Mary, age 68 in New York, found raw cacao too bitter at first. But when she switched to natural cocoa, she stuck with it, and within 6 weeks, her muscles felt stronger. She could even lift her grandchild without back pain. "I don't have joint aches when gardening anymore," she told me with a smile. That story reminds us: start small, stay consistent, and results will come. So, what do you think? Would you try natural cocoa? Share your thoughts with me. Integrating cacao into your lifestyle, building a sustainable habit. For cacao to truly work its magic, the key is consistency. The best results come when you make it part of your daily routine in a simple, enjoyable way. Pair it with light strength exercises and a protein-rich diet. This combination not only protects your muscles, but also supports heart health and lifts your mood, thanks to the powerful antioxidants that guard your cells. Start small. Begin with 1 teaspoon per day and gradually increase to 1-2 tablespoons as your body adjusts. For most people, this is perfectly safe. And if you have underlying health conditions, just check with your doctor. That's usually all it takes. The bottom line: make cacao a steady part of your lifestyle, not just a quick fix, and you'll notice the difference in strength, energy, and overall well-being. My friends, today we explored cacao, from raw cacao, the powerhouse choice, to natural cocoa, the gentler option as a simple way to restore muscle strength and energy after 60. Here's the key takeaway: raw cacao gives you the maximum benefits. Natural cocoa is perfect if you want something easier to drink. And always avoid sugary mixes that work against your health. Start small. Just add 1 teaspoon to your morning coffee tomorrow, try it for a week, and notice the difference. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe so you won't miss more simple health tips designed for life after 60. Give it 1-2 weeks, and you'll feel your energy rise. By 4-6 weeks, your muscles will be stronger, your days lighter, and life simply more enjoyable. Remember, health is a gift you absolutely deserve. I believe you can do this, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Stay well, and I'll see you next time.